Hello students, welcome to Jataka story class. Today is Friday 17th December and today we are going to read certain pages from the story Sage Dog and the King. Let's recapitulate what we have already read. In this story we have seen Bodhisattva was born as a sage dog, means very wise dog. And in the kingdom of Varanasi, there were many dogs. In King's palace also there were many dogs. Those dogs, they were very naughty because once they came out of the palace secretly and entered the stable and eaten up all the leather straps there. When the king was informed about it, king became furious and he said that all the dogs should be killed. But king was not knowing that that was done by the dogs of the palace. Okay, he given the verdict and what he said? That all the dogs should be killed. Now let's read. All were stunned. Some of them did not approve of killing, but no one had the courage to speak out. The ministers of the king, they heard what the king said, that dogs should be killed, but they were stunned. Varanasi looked very different from the next day onwards. Dogs and the king's men were chasing each other. Some men were beaten by dogs and some others were badly wounded by the royal staff. Shops were closed because the owners were afraid of dogs breaking and destroying their goods. Parents did not send children to play in the streets. They did not want them to get caught in the chase and break their bones. The city of Varanasi was in total chaos. Some dogs got together behind the bushes of a garden to discuss the situation. So they were also worried. They wanted to discuss the situation. They wanted to save the lives of their comrades. One black dog looked wiser than the others. He said, "Let us go to Sage Dog. He lives in the cremation ground. He will surely find a solution to this problem." They all marched towards the cremation ground. Sage Dog was surprised to see so many visitors. He did sense something had gone wrong. So, where the Sage Dog used to live? He used to live in the cremation ground. Okay, and other dogs, they went to meet him. The chief of the delegation narrated the whole incident and also the punishment declared by the king. Sage Dog knew his clan very well. He said, "No street dog would dare enter the king's stable. It is a well guarded place. This must be the job of the dogs staying in the palace. They must have entered from the back." "Yes, we are quite sure about it," said the dogs, almost in chorus. This means that the real culprits were enjoying themselves in the king's palace, and the innocent weak dogs are being killed by the royal staff. "That's not fair. I will right away meet the king and expose the real offenders," said the sage dog. So he decided to go to meet the king and just to disclose the reality. "Would you like us to go with you?" asked some other dogs because they were worried about his safety. Sage Dog assured them that he would be safe. No one need worry about him. Then he shut his eyes in prayer and summoned his inner powers to help him in his courageous mission. He was determined to stop the killings, disclosing the truth. He asked all the dogs to hide somewhere to save themselves. and he immediately left for the palace. So other dogs, they were hiding themselves to save themselves from the king's men, and this sage dog, he took the risk and went to the palace to meet the king. So this much for today, and I request you to read it again and again. Thank you, students.